Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar, CONOR Maynard. Ever heard about him? I think so. This song is called How Am I? So how is he? We'll see about that and how he managed to do whatever he wants. But anyway, let's dive into this song. And this one will be a short one. Only 2 chords that goes back and forth, so it cannot be easier. And so let's take a look at this one. All right, no need for any capo. We have only 2 chords. It's bar chords, so therefore we don't need any capo for this. And we will learn the chords now. The first one will be the G sharp chord. So like I said, 2 bar chords. This, you play the bar here on the 4th fret, all right? You bar all strings there. And then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. This is the G sharp. Next chord will be the F sharp, and you take the exact same grip and just move it away from you like this. And you're gonna land with your bar finger now on the 2nd fret. So 2 positions away from you. Everything else will be the same. So a bar on the 2nd, and then the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. That's your F sharp. All right, so let's just learn this string pattern. It will be down, up, down, down, clap. All right, so that is 1 round. So slowly. Down, up, down, down, clap. Okay, so a couple of rounds to get the rhythm. Alright, so you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord, and you just go back and forth like this. So 4 Gs, 4 Fs, 4 Gs, 4 Fs, like this. Alright. I can just mention about 2 minutes and 39 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. So when you fulfill everything till that point, you're gonna play G and then 4 Fs there. And as soon as you played 4 Fs, we are at that point, 2 minutes and 39 seconds into the song. Then comes a bridge part. Here, you just switch the order. You're gonna stay on the F sharp and play 4 from that position to G, and then back to F again, 4 there, and G 4, and from that position you have ended the bridge part. Then you're gonna continue from that point to stay on the G for another 4, and then F, back and forth like this. So basically this bridge part from 2 and 39 switches the order in that part of this song. Then it goes back again after 2 rounds to start with the G. So that means to get into the bridge part at 2 minutes and 39 seconds into the song, you have to play in total of 8 rounds of the F sharp. So the 4 last rounds in the standard way of playing, then the 4 starting rounds to come into the bridge. Okay, so that's 8 in total of F, and then the ending is 4 Gs there in the ending of the bridge part, and the starting of the rest of the song is the start of 4 Gs. So another 8 rounds of the G, and then it just continues till the very end. So that's just small technique stuff there you need to know if you want to really manage to play the song with the bridge part included. All right, so CONOR Maynard's How Am I? Good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.